honestly, this is what I would have expected of GBP USD this day, 11th of the month of December 2023. This price move, which has moved about 50, 56, 55, 56 pips, today, just about 55, 56 pips today. And if you have followed this earlier today, and you are very, very conversant with how price moves, that price does not move in a straight line, but it always acts wavy. This would have been opportunities for a lot of entries, about 1 to 3 entries here. And you can imagine that if you are someone that targets 100 pips daily, you would have made even more than 100 pips, because this alone from here to here would give you about 55 pips, while others will still give you about 40 to 40 something pips. And I think that's enough for the day for an intraday trader on GBP USD. But so far so good. This is what I was expecting. After this move here, the price was going to do a correction. Other people call it pullback, other people call it retracement. Okay, so the price was going to do a pullback, a correction, a retracement, whatever you like to call it. Then it will continue going up, or some people will also still say price will go north, or prices, just give it a name. All right, so anything you like, you give it. So just know the direction the price is going to: uptrend, downtrend, has a bullish momentum, it has a bullish bias, all of that. So after those retracements, that is, you should expect price to still continue. And why? Because the longer time frame says so. So let's quickly go to the 4-hour time frame. You can see I'm going to draw an horizontal line. Okay, you can see what price, where price actually got to. This was where I actually predicted last week. If you watch the video I made last week, I actually predicted this point. I predicted price was gonna get to this point. I want to draw it very carefully. Okay, I predicted that price was gonna drop here. I predicted price was gonna drop here. That was the first stop loss. Then the second stop loss, I predicted. Watch the video. Okay, I'm gonna drop the link on the right. You look at the link for the next video on the right of your screen, at the upper right of your screen, and also I'm gonna drop it in the description. And then I also predicted here was going to be for the third take profit. So this was the first take profit. That was the only place that price has got into. Although price is still gonna move more, still gonna find more downward move, but so far so good. It must first of all obey some laws. It must first of all obey some zones. Price must first of all obey some levels, and after it has done that, then it can continue breaking all of these barriers that we have here. So here we are. If you move, I'm an intraday trader, so I love trading with the 1 minute time frame. A lot of noise, but yes, if you know what you're doing, you will definitely trade very, very responsibly. So after the fall for last week, I was expecting price to do more of have more of bullish momentum this week. So maybe for some days it's gonna do that, and at the end of the day, then it's definitely gonna continue. It's the bearish momentum. We're gonna create a bearish momentum. Look at here, the trend line also confirms it, that price, the downward move for price, which actually happened last week Thursday, and this was Friday actually, about 82 pips that one would have picked clearly from the market. So now we are waiting for this to happen, a pullback from here to anywhere here, anywhere here. As soon as this pullback is completed and it is confirmed, then we will start looking for entries to pick more buying opportunities. Okay, so start looking for entries to pick more buying opportunities. So that is where we are, and that is what one actually is waiting for. Let me zoom out so that it can be clear, and it can be clearer to me. So this is it in the 1 hour time frame. Price has moved, price has moved, and price is expected to do a retracement, a pullback, a correction. Then price is expected to go a little higher and break some barriers. So here we'll be expecting about more than 100 pips, maybe, I'm just saying, but I'll be expecting to take more pips for myself, and I can meet this week's target. It could be in 1 trade or 2 trades or 3 trades, definitely. Then I'll meet the week's target. So this is what I'm actually expecting. This is where I'm actually going to. This is what I am going to do in my own discretion for GBP USD this week. And if it start confirming, if it now starts shooting down, anything after doing any of this, or even if it does not perform this task, moving from here to here, if price start breaking beneath or below this first level, then it confirms this level. Definitely the next thing for me to do as a trader is to start looking for sell opportunities, which means we have gotten into that stage where should be looking for opportunities to short GBP USD. Why? Because daily has confirmed it for me. All right, yeah, daily has a very clear confirmation that which I am going to definitely obey, and that's what I do, and that's how I trade. Okay, so this is it for me for GBP USD. So let us hope to get the very best out of GBP USD. And if I have other opportunities from maybe Euro USD, AUD USD, New Zealand USD, USD JPY, USD Canadian dollar, USD Swiss franc, and also gold, I definitely am going to make a video about it. But the main focus for now is GBP USD, and this is one thing I am going to focus on for 2024. So this December is just like a test transmission for me of what I'm going to do for the new year. And as soon as that happens, it's going to be a whole lot for me. On GBP USD. You can actually take one currency pair and make the best out of it, instead of you as a trader being having your mind so scattered on 28 currency pairs or 29 or 30 currency pairs. Want to eat out of every thing that happens on all the currency pairs that we have. Just focus on one currency pair and get the best out of it. If the market is failing, it's failing you on just one currency pair, and it is doing you good. That it's doing you good on one currency pair. So that is just one of the aim for 2024. So until the next video, I'm going to say thank you and love you, and more green pips for you in the new year coming, and also bye.